You've got a head, you're driving the remote control car, so really nothing safe. Now this video was supposed to be about this truck crashing into these chips, but as you're about to find out through the video, the chips were a lot weaker than we thought they were. So we had to find something stronger and stronger. We still couldn't break the car, so we have to do Pepsi. So wait to the end for that, but this is happening in the meantime. Okay, you know what we're doing? We've got the drift truck right here, and this is the challenge we're going to be doing with it. We've got that pack of chips right there, and we're going to see if that can stop this car like an airbag, basically. But I don't know if that is going to be strong enough to do it. So we've got this right here, a much stronger pack of chips. But before we get to that one, we're going to have to start with a much weaker pack of popcorn. What the hell? Chopper popcorn. So let's start with that, and let's see if it can handle that. Starting with the popcorn, chopper popcorn. Let's do it. You popped it, but it looks like you can't even drive something as basic as a remote control car.
It's significantly easier to drive a car in real life than this shit.
The popcorn has popped. Popcorn right here. You want to see that fly out? Hey, look at that. Just one tiny opening in the packet. Strawberry popcorn. Okay, well the popcorn actually did better than I thought it was going to do. I was going to put that as the first one because I thought it'd be weaker, but apparently it's strong. Made a mess now. Alright, I'm going to clean this up, and while I do that, you get to doing something else with the car. That is being cleaned up upstairs. We're going to do a quick suspension test. So I got these, whatever the hell these are. Open these up. So what we're going to do is, what did you pull them on the ground for? Why did you pull them on the ground? Okay. Drive very slowly over this so you can take the suspension. Turn the power down if you need to. You have to go flat out every time for everything. That seemed to work pretty good. Go a little bit faster this time. I like it. A bit faster. Alright, let's just get back to the chips. Stop doing it. Let's get back to the chips. Round two. That was pretty loud. Stop. What the heck is wrong with you? Oh man. Look at the freaking mess. It definitely sounded good, but that was way too much mess. Tastes alright. Alright, well that was what you're here for. The packet popped nicely, but we're going to need something that really doesn't pop, so I'm going to have to try something a lot stronger than that, which is that one. But we're going to have to clean this up, get the cat in the edge leaders. Let's go do something else while we wait for that. Give me that. Look. That was a big bag. Why have you eaten so much? Alright, looks like you really like lollies, don't you? Alright, let's try it with these snakes. Lay these all flat. Go slow so we can test its suspension. Burner. What the heck? Stop driving, stop, turn it off. Alright, let's do the last packet. We've got to see if we can actually save this car. Round 3. Now I know this thing's not going to pop because these packets are strong. Made in Indonesia, I don't know why they need such strong packets, but I guess we'll see. line yourself up and see it. Told you don't break that. Well, let me see if you break. Wait, stop. There's no way you actually popped that. These packets do not pop. How did you do that? What? How did you pop this packet? Insane. Why does this smell like coffee? Who actually eats this shit? Alright, well I did not expect that genuinely. We're gonna have to find a stronger packet, aren't we? Alright, let's go to the shops and get something stronger. I'll be back in a second. Alright, back from the shops, and I checked all of the packets, and this thing is one strong packet because it's literally, it feels like it's made of like metal. That thing's fucking tough. You could probably use that as a tire cushion for your car or something like that. But, I mean, you've got a head, you're driving the remote control car, so really nothing's safe. Let's try it. You're not breaking this one. Exactly. Stop. How did... I mean, okay, I'm not even joking about this packet. A while ago on another channel, I did strength testing packets, and this thing literally took half a ton, and I'm not even joking. Literally took half a ton, and you still popped the shit out of that. What the fuck? I don't think you have any idea how strong these packets are, and you still managed to pop that open. Pizza chips.
You see it rips here.
I don't know.
Lost some good weight down, so I can't connect
This is. Everything's strong. There's gonna be something this thing can't break. Check out the damage on this. It's got literally no damage. Is that your driving skill? That's not the car skill? What the hell is even going on right now? Let me check and see if we've got anything else. Alright, nothing breaks this thing, so that's gonna break it if anything's gonna break it. This is the last round. If this works, then this is the thumbnail on the video. If it doesn't, then obviously you would have seen a different thumbnail. So we'll find out. That's the giveaway for that. But we'll see if that works. Do it. Keep going. Okay, well, I did like half a can, so that's basically gas, isn't it? Damn, that's fucked up. Take a look at the damage. Alright, send it out into the grass to clean it up. Pretty grass as usual, no problems there. Well, let's look at the front, because it's taken so many hits. What have we got? No damage. This phone's in good condition. Alright, the front bumper is all cracked. You can see that. That's it. It's a cracked front bumper. Otherwise, phone's all good.